Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see questions with question words. Let's start. So what are question words? WH questions, open questions. Here you have these question words. What, in Spanish, ¿qué? When, where, why, how, who, whose, how much, how many, and what time. One thing, be careful, how much we are going to use it with uncountable objects, and how many we are going to use it with countable objects. So this is the word order that we are going to use. Normally we are going to write this order. First we are going to write the question word plus the auxiliary verb plus the subject plus the main verb plus the complements. For example, what, question word, will, auxiliary verb, they, subject, cook, main verb, for tonight, complements. What will they cook for tonight? But be careful with who. With who we are going to use this order. For example, who plus verb plus complements. Who came yesterday? But be careful, if we have the verb to be, then is different because we have to use someone, a pronoun or a noun in the question. So here we are going to use this order, who plus verb to be plus someone. Example, who are you? Or who is your sister? With the verb to be in the present simple, the word order is going to be a little bit different. First, we are going to write the question word plus the verb to be plus the subject plus the complements. Example, who is your sister? Who, question word, verb to be is your sister. This will be the subject. So in this case, we don't have auxiliary verb. We just have the main verb, the verb to be, because this is in present simple. Now, let's see each one. We are going to use who for asking about someone's identity. For example, who is that man? We are going to use what for asking about something. For example, what is that thing? What plus pronoun for asking about something specific, because here we are saying something specific. For example, what time is it? What, space, like for asking about someone's personality. For example, what is your grandmother like? Or for asking about a description of an object, place. For example, what is your house like? What, space, look like for asking about someone's physique. For example, what does your cousin look like? When, for asking about a moment. For example, when do you go to work? Where, for asking for a specific place. Where is the subway? How, for asking for the way or the state. How are you? How plus adjective for asking for a characteristic. For example, how big is your house? Y for asking for the cause. Example, why are the shoes here? Whose for asking for the owner of something. Example, whose is this jacket? Which for asking for one of a couple or group. Example, which one do you like? Here you have some exercises. Here you have to write questions to these answers. As this is an open exercise, please write your answers in the video comments. I will answer you. And here you have a second exercise where you have to complete with the question words. Again, you can write your answers in the video comments. I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.